E aí, mano, então, nós tá chegando aqui no gapzinho, tá ligado? Fazer uma sessãozinha no spot, tá ligado? No picozinho aqui, mano. Aqui no carreto também. Já que é um solozinho da hora ainda, ó. Deixa eu lançar umas ganhazinhas ali. Aí, mano, eu quero que vocês gostem aí, tá ligado? Mano, essa fita mesmo, é nóis.
Won't ever be compared, I'm greater. Hated like a LA resident who doesn't like the Lakers. And who the pay first, I get shit for free. Like a thief in the mall, I'm going on a mass spree. So call a taxi, yeah, I'll follow him quick. Cause at the pace I'm going, I'm soon to blow quick. Now the bitches on my dick, now the people wanna talk. Wanna have a cup of coffee and roll around the mall. Whoa, wow, to window shop, come on, bro, I ain't ballin' after they hear that. They probably all gon' stop calling. Either way, I don't respond. No, I won't write you a song. Hear the stories how you strong, how you never did them wrong. Okay, on to the next, here to invest. Will it be next? So either you stress or try to contest. It's gonna lead your ass to death. I hold it back for the remainder of the time. I explain the reason why I see no future in these lies. So shoot aside. When you slow poke swag, tryna boast and grab, you get lost like that. It's it conflict. When you slow poke swag, tryna boast and grab, you get lost like that. It's it conflict. When you slow poke swag, tryna boast and grab, you get lost like that. It's it conflict. When you slow poke swag, tryna boast and grab, you get lost like that. It's it conflict. Me and you and me ain't nothing alike. I did a lot of dirt that night while you only came out when there was light. You carry much fright, release the tension. Now pay attention, rewind and study well. It's a useful lesson.